Check it out, guys. I just got this box today, and inside this box is for my Xbox. It is a set of 4 batteries that are rechargeable for your controller. I have an Xbox One S. I don't know if the controllers are different. I'm pretty sure they're all the same, but as you can see right now, this one takes AA batteries, and they go by very quickly. If you game a lot, you're going to go through a pack of these batteries in these controllers like once every week or so, and batteries aren't too expensive. However, since I do go through these like every week, buying this will save you money in the long run versus buying a bunch of batteries over and over. So let's get into it. So here it is. The batteries are right here. It comes with 4, which is nice because once one dies, you'll always have 1 out of 3 that are probably fully charged. And let's just do a quick test to make sure it fits in the controller because that's super important. Take the batteries out, put the new ones in. Just make sure to line up minus and plus with the right sides here. So this is minus. So like this. Let's go. All right. Let's see if this turns the controller on at all. And it does. As simple as that. Let's go. Now let me show you guys how this charges, and I'm going to figure it out right here. I'm assuming it's a USB-C. There it is. And I have a USB-C cord right here for my MacBook, which I can just take, plug in just like that. Whoa, and it glows green? That's pretty sick. I like that. Oh, wait. Look at that. It does come with a cord. That's crazy. So if you don't have a USB-C cord, you can just plug it into an outlet. That's pretty cool. And I think that's it. Like I said, batteries aren't very expensive. However, if you keep going through them with your controller, you're eventually going to spend more money on batteries than getting one of these. So I just highly recommend getting one of these instead. Plus, it's more backup batteries. This is just better in so many ways. I love it.